Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is about how to make YouTube banners. In previous video you can watch how to make YouTube thumbnail. Your time is precious. Save your time. Go to the Chrome. Free design tool presentation. Click on here. You can see there is option YouTube thumbnail as well as YouTube banner. If you want to make the YouTube thumbnail, then click on here. You can also watch my previous video, link in the description. If you wanted to make the YouTube banner, then click on YouTube banner. Remember, if you wanted to only make banner, because there is a specific for banner template and specific for thumbnail, so select separate. Do not want try to make YouTube thumbnail for YouTube banner. Only click on YouTube banner. There is multiple YouTube banner templates. You can choose would you like the most. Suppose I selected this one. If you wanted to change the name, then double click on name and change the name. If you wanted to change the website, then double click on website and change the website name. Suppose again knowledge. You can also resize the name. Okay. Like, click here and go to this option, press right button and you can move anywhere. Okay, like, go to the subscribe, then click here and you can move anywhere, but must be press right button. Okay, you can also change this font. Plus you can see increase in font. If you want it to small, then go to the minus. You can also change the color. Okay, also curve. You can also give the effects. Click on effects. Okay, you can also change the image. If you wanted two image like this, then go to the plus, duplicate image. There is two image. Okay, if you wanted to delete, then go to the delete frame. If you wanted to put your image, then click on image and go to the edit image, then upload files. Go to the upload files, click on this one, open. It takes few times to upload. Then click on upload file. You can see like this. If you wanted to change the whole background, then click on here. You can see there is line around your banner and go to the edit image, go to the upload and click on here. If you wanted to underline this name, then go to the three dots and click on underline button. Okay, if you wanted to light this name, then go to the transparency, click here. Okay, you can also change the position, right, direct to the middle, bottom or center. You can see left, top, middle, center. Okay, if you wanted to change the font, then go to here, report font. You can also go to direct to change the font size. There is font size. Okay, if you think that previous name was good and it was good setting, then go to this arrow, click here, again click here, again. You can see. Okay, if you think that previous video was not good, then go to this arrow. Okay, if you edit more here, like you wanted to add more comments, then click here. You can also duplicate this name, copy and paste, allow. You can write what you want. Okay, so add text from there. Go to the text, there is heading, heading, sub heading, and add a little bit of body text. Now if you wanted to save this image, then go to the share. There is a option of download, click here. This suggests PNG is the best quality, so you can also change quality from here. Download. Downloading start. Okay, if you like the video, then kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.